We are going to take a look at a crypto that people haven't talked about in a while and is still around. It's called Mousecoin or MIC3 coin. So, welcome to our weekly crypto update. Taking a look at Mousecoin, I'm looking at their website here. Still looks to be a very attractive website. They still have a lot of information sites that they're hooked up to. They have four exchanges, BullX probably being their most popular exchange. So everything looks pretty good there. I'm looking at their news on their website. It looks like it needs to be updated because it's only showing Q1 for 2021, but at least it is showing 2021. So you are starting to see at least some updates. You're not seeing anything that's sort of dying off here. Taking a look at the CoinGecko chart for the last 7 days, it looks like they've had a couple of peaks here in mid of December, which seems to be right where Bitcoin was jumping up quite a bit too. And it's starting to have sort of like just a trend consistently over the last 14 days. We'll take a look at it. Again, it seems just to have that consistent trend, but it looks like it does have a second platform that it jumped up to. So this one looks like it's riding a little lower over here, and it looks like it popped up and is consisting just a little bit higher. If you look at the 90-day chart, again, it's going to be sort of consistent. It's dropping a little bit, but it's you can see where it's starting to make a couple of little benchmarks here. One right here, second one right here, third one right here. So over the last, I would say, maybe from November to December, it does look like it's starting to gain a little bit more volume again. You can see here, even in this little spike at the bottom. If you look at the 1 year chart, it's sort of disappointing because there was a big uh, jump in purchasing, which is right when that crypto boom was. And everything was going crazy. Dogecoin was going crazy. Everything was going crazy. And then all of a sudden it just dropped right off. So a lot of people were buying in and then they just sold out for profits. If we look at the max chart here, you can see where at the beginning of Mousecoin, it was sort of jumping up and down, sort of just trending along at the bottom, though, keeping that same point. And then you had your big crypto boom, and then sort of right now is where it's at, sort of just trending along again. So it's a neat crypto to keep an eye on because you have a lot of coins. And the neat thing is that this boom can happen again. So if you look at it from down to here, we're talking 5 6 zeros, and then up here, I mean, you can make a pretty good chunk of money. The other thing I do like is it's a staking coin. Looking at the BullX exchange here too, just within today, there's still purchases coming in and out, so it's not a dead coin. And looking over here to the side at the market trend, today's the 21st, and you still see people buying this crypto. So it is creating transactions, which is good news. So a lot of people aren't trading it, but this might be a good coin just to toss a couple $100 in, let it sit, bring it over to Stake Center, let it stake for a little bit, and then forget about it. And then maybe one day you'll come back and you'll be right back at the spike again. So might be one of those long-term investment coins, but still one to keep an eye on. So thanks for chiming in today, guys. If you like this channel, you like this review, please like, subscribe, share it to all your friends, and we'll be talking to you again soon.